Hello everyone, it's my great honor to speak here and share with you my research. My name is Qiuyue Shao from Tongji University in China. The title of my paper is Do CEO Rhetorical Strategies Affect Internationalization Process of Enterprises? Evidence from China. The presentation contains 4 parts. The first part is theory background of my research. Based on upper echelon theory, previous studies have suggested that CEO personal characteristics influence enterprise internationalization. Most of them investigated the static traits such as age, education, overseas backgrounds, and so on. However, since CEO communication skills exert influence on enterprises as well, we proposed that CEO rhetoric strategy positively affect enterprise internationalization. Given Aristotle's classification of rhetoric, we introduced 3 rhetoric techniques as independent dummy variables. For Qiuyue's strategy, it is a speech that relies on the character of the speaker. It means that such a speech can make the listener feel believable, because we are willing to trust kind people in all things. For Python's strategy, it is a technology that wants to influence others through words to stimulate their emotions and guide others' actions. For Logos strategy, it is to prove the truth or superficial truth through persuasion of each case. The persuader introduces causality in the lecture. The samples selected in the study were all manufacturing companies listed in Shanghai Stock Exchange and Shenzhen Stock Exchange in China from 2015 to 2016. To measure the dependent variable, we take the change of enterprise internationalization index as a measure. The index is the proportion of the enterprise's overseas income in the total revenue of the enterprise. For independent variable, the CEO's rhetorical strategy are obtained by analyzing annual reports related to internationalization. If rhetoric technique ethos exists in the text of annual report, the dummy variable of ethos is coded as 1 or is 0. The other 2 independent variables are the same. The control variables contains 2 levels. Firm level variables include asset liability ratio, the nature of ownership, the industry, and the size of the enterprise. CEO level variables include duality, age, tenure, and education. From the multiple regression results, it can be demonstrated that ethos and logos are significantly positively related to enterprise internationalization, while the impact of pathos on internationalization is not significant. Overall, the empirical results are in line with our expectations. Our research contributed to theory in 3 aspects. Firstly, our study introduces a new independent variable, the Aristotle rhetorical technique of the CEO, and demonstrated that 2 of them are positively associated with the firm's internationalization. Secondly, CEO rhetoric is able to promote the strategy of internationalization as well, which provides complementary evidence for the view that CEO rhetorical techniques influence the strategy implementation. Thirdly, we went a step further in that we have found new antecedent factors of enterprise internationalization process and quantified them through content analysis coding of annual reports. That's all. Thank you.